That sounds like a great title for a helpful, instructional video. I can certainly generate a detailed, first-person script based on your title, How to Open a Relay Bank Account Step by Step. Here is the script, focusing on a clear, step-by-step educational flow, and structured to use a question as a hook. Lightbulb script, Opening a Relay Bank Account. Are you tired of business banking that feels like it was designed in the 1990s? If you run a small business, manage an e-commerce store, or are a freelancer looking to separate your business and personal finances, you need a modern banking partner. That's exactly why I went with Relay, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through my exact process for getting an account set up, step by step. It's completely free to open an account, and the entire process should only take about 10 to 15 minutes, provided you have your documentation ready. I'll break it down into 3 simple phases: the initial sign-up, providing your business details, and the final identity verification. Phase 1, the initial sign-up. First, head to the Relay website and look for the Open an Account button. Enter your basic information. You'll start by providing your name, email address, and creating a strong password for your new banking portal. Company search. Relay will ask for the legal name of your business. If you're a sole proprietor, you'll enter your own name. If you're an LLC or corporation, enter the registered name. Relay will check this name against public records. Confirm business structure. Next, you'll select your legal entity type, be it an LLC, corporation, general partnership, or sole proprietorship. This choice determines the specific documents you'll need to upload later. For me, it was an LLC, so I mentally prepared my articles of organization. Phase 2, providing business details. This is where you give Relay the necessary legal context for your application. Business contact information. Provide your primary business phone number and the physical address where your business operates. This cannot be a P.O. box. Tax ID and industry. You'll need to enter your employer identification number, or EIN. If you're a sole proprietor using your social security number, you would enter that instead. You will then select your industry and a brief description of the products or services you offer. Be specific here to help them understand your business model. Ownership details. You must list all beneficial owners who hold 25% or more equity in the business. For each person, you will need their name, date of birth, and home address. If you are the sole owner, you'll only be listing yourself. Phase 3, identity verification and documents. The final phase is the most critical for getting approved quickly. Document upload. Based on your business structure, you will be prompted to upload specific documents. For an LLC, I uploaded my articles of organization and my EIN confirmation letter, also known as the SS4. Make sure your files are clear and legible. Personal identity verification. For security, you will need to verify your own identity. I used my driver's license. Relay asks you to take a clear photo of the front and back of your government-issued ID. Funding and submission. At this point, you can choose to make an initial deposit. You don't have to, but the option is there. Once you hit submit, the application is sent to Relay's compliance team for review. What happens next? In my experience, within 1 to 2 business days, I received an email confirming that my account was approved. They immediately gave me access to my routing and account numbers, and I was able to open multiple checking accounts, up to 20, which is fantastic for virtual bookkeeping. I could also start issuing virtual cards right away. The whole process was streamlined, digital, and much faster than dealing with a traditional bank. If you're ready for modern business banking, this is how you get started. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.